Hello friends, today I will teach you how to generate scan code using Excel formula. This is very beautiful formula. You can save your lot of money using this formula. It is very simple. You just need to do first step. I will show you. I have used this formula. You need to first encode your URL, then you need to use this link and then convert into image. I will show you how to do this. First you need to do encode URL, right? The link which you want to convert into scan code, select the link, copy this. This is first part of this formula. Then second, what you need to do is just copy this text, right? Right, copy this text. I will put this text into description. This is with this text you can generate your formula, this scan code for free, right? So what you need to do is just open this semicolon, comma, and then paste it, right, and then close this and put it this and into this and open this bracket. This is second phase of this formula. Now you need to convert this into image. So what you need to do is select image function from Google for Excel formula, close it. This scan code will generate. This is very easy formula. With this you can create free scan codes. This is very beneficial. So thank you. I believe this will be benefit to you. Thank you so much.